Good afternoon, students. I am your Srinivas sir. Today we are going to learn rounding and estimating sum and differences. Before we are going to start this lesson, students just recall that how to round up nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. So today we are going to learn about estimation. Estimation means the average value. So in this video we learn rounding of nearest 1000 and estimating sum or differences. So here just we can recall that is it 41 is nearest to 40 or 50. So these numbers 41 in the tens. So unit digit is 1 here. 41 is a 10 digit. See here in unit place you have 1 and 10 place you have 4. So when we are going to rounding nearest 10, we take the unit digit number. If the digit less than 5, if the digit is less than 5, we can write nearest backward tens. If it is unit digit greater than 5, we can write forward tens. So I have to understand this, students. Next we come to the 10 nearest 100. See for example 670, whether it is nearest to 600 or 700. So let me check the law in this time when we are going to round up the nearest 100, we take last two digits, that means unit place and 10th place. If it is these two numbers more than 50, we write to forward 100. It is below 50 means we write backward 100. So 670, the last two digit is 70, is greater than 100, sorry, is greater than 50, then it will write to forward 100. So it is round up to 700. Next, it is see for example here 63,320. It is nearest 1000, the nearest rounding 1000. How to find out this? For example, 63,320 is in between 63,000 and 64,000. So between 63,000 and 64,000, the middle number is 63,500. So 63,500, we just check that 63,000 and 64,000, and this 63,320 comes here. 63,320 comes in the approximate this point. So here last three digit is last three digit, that means unit place, 10 place, 100 place are greater than 100, sorry, greater than 500, we can write forward 1000. If the last two digit is less than 500, we write backward 100, backward 1000. So in this case 320 is less than 500. 320 is less than 500, so the round off number is 63,000. The round off number of 63,320 is 63,000 because last three digit is below 500. So I give some hint here. When rounding the nearest 1000, look at the digits 100 place of the number. If the digit have 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, you will be round down. If the digit 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, you will be round up. This is the hint I given. Next we move on to estimation. See, Now we can learn the rounding of nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Then we can write to learn estimate sum or difference. Sum means addition, difference means subtraction. For example, 5290 plus 17,986. We want to find out estimated sum. So here it take 17,986 is round up to 18,000. How? Again we look last three digit number 986. It's more than 500. So we can write next forward 1000. It is 18,000. Here 5290 is round up to 5000. Again we look last three digit number. It is 290 is less than 500, so we round up to 5000. The estimated sum is 23,000. 18,000 plus 5,000 is 23,000. See, this is how to estimate the sum. So we come to estimated difference. For example, estimate 7,673 minus 1,436. For 7,673 we round up to 8,000. See, last three digit number 673 is greater than 500, so we round up to 8,000. Again 1,436 round up to 1,000. Why? 436 last three digit number is less than 500, so we round up to 1,000. So the nearest, okay, the estimated difference of 8,000 and 1,000 is 7,000. See, this is how to estimate. See, I given homework. Dear students, have to practice all these homeworks. I given four problems. Have to solve this in homework. Thank you.